Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 15 Pro Max for Straight Talk. So the iPhone 15 Pro Max is now here at Straight Talk. This is the 256GB version that we're looking at here in this video. Straight Talk do offer all the storage options for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, so you don't have to worry about that. Just check the description box below for all that down below. Alright, so the iPhone 15 Pro Max is now here for $11.99 for the 256GB version, and y'all will have 3 colors to choose from here. Y'all will have natural titanium, blue titanium, or black titanium color options there. So very nice there. There is front and back of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It looks like the iPhone 14 Pro Max from last year, except for it has like better features and stuff like that. On the front of the phone, y'all guys have your code out there for your dynamic island. On the rest of the phone, power button left of the phone, volume keys along with your action button. On the back of the iPhone 15 Pro Max is your triple camera system, camera flash, Apple logo. That's the front of the phone, like I just said. Your code out there for your dynamic island. Back of the phone, triple camera system, camera flash, Apple logo. Right side of the phone, power button and your antennas. The iPhone 15 Pro Max can also be purchased monthly as well for $49.96 a month for 24 months. That is for the 256GB version. Like I said, check the description box below for all the storage options and stuff like that. iPhone 15 Pro Max, now with titanium. iPhone 15 Pro Max, forged in titanium and featuring the groundbreaking A17 Pro chip, a customizable action button, and the most powerful iPhone camera system ever. Specs: it has 5G, of course, hand-in compatibility there. Has 5G LTE, Wi-Fi 6E display, Super Retina XDR display, 6.7 inches OLED display with ProMotion technology. Basically, what ProMotion is, you can have your iPhone 15 Pro Max up to 120 Hz refresh rate. Dimensions: 6.29 inches height, 3.02 inches width, and 0.32 inches depth. Battery: video playback up to 29 hours, audio playback up to 95 hours. The iPhone 15 Pro Max weighs 7.81 ounces. Talk time, I just mentioned that. Bluetooth 5.3. Cameras: Pro camera system, 48MP main, 12MP ultra wide, and then a 12MP telephoto camera lens on the back. Processor: A17 Pro chip. 6-core CPU with 2 performance and 4 efficiency cores. 6-core GPU, 16-core neutral engine. GPS, of course. Memory: Straight Talk do offer all the storage options: 256 gigs, 512 gigs, or 1 terabyte of storage. What comes with the iPhone 15 Pro Max is, of course, your iPhone 15 Pro Max, your USB-C charging cable. You guys will need a Type-C charging brick, your documentation, and your Apple sticker. So pretty cool there. Features: forged in titanium. iPhone 15 Pro Max has a strong and light aerospace grade titanium design with the textured matte glass back. It also features a ceramic shield front that's tougher than any smartphone glass. Apple says that shit every year. And a splash water and dust resistance. Advanced display: the 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion ramps up refresh rates to 120 Hz when you need exceptional graphics performance. Dynamic island bubbles up alerts and live activities. Plus, with always on display, your lock screen stays glanceable, so you don't have to tap it to stay in the know. Game-changing A17 Pro chip. A Pro-class GPU makes mobile games feel so immersive, with rich environments and realistic characters. A17 Pro is also incredibly efficient and helps to deliver amazing all-day battery life. So that's nice. Powerful Pro camera system. Get incredible framing flexibility with 7 Pro lenses. captures super high resolution photos with more color and detail using the 48 megapixel main camera, and takes sharper close-ups from far away with the 5 times telephoto camera on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Customizable action button. Action button is a fast track to your favorite feature. Just set the one you want, like silent modes, camera, voice memo, shortcut, and more. Then press and hold to launch the action. Pro connectivity. The new USB-C connector lets you charge your Mac or iPad with the same cable you use to charge the iPhone 15 Pro Max. With USB 3, you get a huge leap in data transfer speeds, and you can download files up to 2 times faster using Wi-Fi 6E. Vital safety features. If your car breaks down while you're off the grid, you can get help with roadside assistance via satellite. And if you need emergency services and you don't have cell service or Wi-Fi, you can use emergency SOS via satellite. With crash detection, iPhone can detect a severe car crash and call for help if you can't, so that's a very nice feature to have. Designed to make a difference, iPhone comes with privacy protections that help keep you in control of your data. It's made from more recyclable materials to minimize environmental impact, and it has built-in features that makes iPhone more accessible to all. Comes with Apple Care warranty. Every iPhone comes with a 1-year limited warranty and up to 90 days of complimentary technical support. Get Apple Care Plus or Apple Care Plus with loss and theft to extend your coverage there. So very nice there. So yeah, there you guys have it. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is now here at Straight Talk. If you guys want to get more storage options, check the description box below. Straight Talk do offer all the storage options there, so check the description box below for that. So if you guys are looking to get like the best iPhone, like the top of the line iPhone, the flagship iPhone, one with the big screen, the permission technology, the Type-C, the titanium feel and all that. If you're looking to get the best of the best in the iPhone this year, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is the phone for you. It has a big screen, the permission technology, which lets you have your iPhone up to 120Hz refresh rate, which is very cool. Type-C charging, of course, that's new to all the iPhones this year. So yeah, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is the ultimate iPhone for this year, so check that out. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.